Hello friends, how are you all? I am back with a new video. The topic being discussed in today's video is VEVOR Cargo Bar Truck Bed Bar Adjustable. The VEVOR Cargo Bar is a practical and reliable solution designed to make transporting goods safer, more organized, and stress-free. Whether you're a professional truck driver, a weekend traveler, or someone who frequently hauls items in a pickup truck or SUV, this adjustable cargo stabilizer bar stands out as an essential accessory. Built with durability, versatility, and affordability in mind, it delivers excellent value for money while addressing one of the most common challenges in transportation, keeping cargo securely in place. One of the most notable features of this cargo bar is its adjustable length, ranging from 40 inches to 73 inches. This flexibility allows it to fit a wide variety of vehicles, including pickup truck beds, SUVs, and even some trailers. Instead of worrying about compatibility, users can easily extend or retract the bar to match the width of their cargo space. This adaptability makes it a convenient choice for individuals who may use multiple vehicles or need a single solution for different hauling situations. The construction quality of the VEVOR Cargo Bar is another strong point that immediately stands out. Made from heavy-duty steel, the bar is designed to withstand significant pressure in regular use without bending or weakening. Its robust build ensures long-term durability, even under demanding conditions. With a load capacity of up to 220 pounds, it provides reliable support for a wide range of cargo, from boxes and tools to luggage and equipment. This level of strength offers peace of mind, especially when transporting valuable or fragile items. In addition to its sturdy construction, the cargo bar is engineered with user convenience in mind. The installation process is simple and does not require any special tools or complicated steps. Users can quickly position the bar and secure it in place using its tension mechanism. This ease of use is particularly beneficial for those who need to frequently load and unload cargo, as it saves time and effort while ensuring a secure fit every time. Another important advantage of the VEVOR Cargo Bar is its effectiveness in preventing cargo from sliding or shifting during transit. Sudden stops, sharp turns, and uneven roads can cause items to move around, potentially leading to damage or safety hazards. By firmly holding cargo in place, this stabilizer bar minimizes movement and helps maintain order within the vehicle. This not only protects the goods being transported, but also enhances overall driving safety by reducing distractions and risks. The design of the bar also includes non-slip rubber pads at both ends. These pads play a crucial role in maintaining stability and protecting the interior surfaces of the vehicle. They provide a strong grip against the walls of the truck bed or cargo area, ensuring that the bar stays securely in position even during rough journeys. At the same time, they prevent scratches or damage to the vehicle, which is an important consideration for maintaining its condition and value. From a cost perspective, the VEVOR Cargo Bar is an excellent investment. It offers a combination of high-quality materials, thoughtful design, and reliable performance at a price point that is accessible to most users. Compared to other cargo management solutions, such as permanent dividers or complex tie-down systems, this product provides a simple yet highly effective alternative without requiring a significant financial commitment. For budget-conscious buyers, it represents a smart choice that does not compromise on quality. The versatility of this product further enhances its appeal. It can be used not only for securing large items, but also for organizing smaller loads by creating separate sections within the cargo area. This makes it easier to keep items sorted and prevents them from piling up or becoming disorganized. Whether you are moving household goods, carrying sports equipment, or transporting work tools, the cargo bar adapts to your needs and helps you stay organized. Durability, ease of use, and affordability are not the only reasons why this product stands out. It also reflects thoughtful engineering that prioritizes real-world functionality. Every feature, from the adjustable length to the non-slip ends, is designed to address common problems faced by vehicle owners. This attention to detail ensures that users get a product that is not only effective, but also enjoyable to use. For those who are concerned about making a worthwhile purchase, the VEVOR Cargo Bar provides reassurance through its consistent performance and practical benefits. It is a product that delivers on its promises, offering both reliability and convenience. Buyers can feel confident that their investment will not be wasted. as the bar continues to perform well over time and proves its usefulness in a variety of situations. In conclusion, the VEVOR Cargo Bar is a highly recommended product for anyone in need of a dependable cargo stabilization solution. Its adjustable design, heavy-duty construction, ease of installation, and strong grip make it a standout option in its category. Combined with its economical price and long-lasting quality, it offers exceptional value that is hard to overlook. This product not only meets user needs, but often exceeds expectations, making it a smart and satisfying addition to any vehicle.